In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project, add tasks, and configure views, priorities, and dates so everything stays organized and easy to manage. First, open ClickUp and head to your workspace overview. From there, go to your spaces. Spaces act like high-level categories for your work, so choose the relevant space where this new project should live. Keeping each project in the right space makes it much easier for your team to find what they need later. Inside the space, look for the plus icon and click it. From the options that appear, choose Folder. In ClickUp, a folder is a great way to group lists, docs, and related items for a single project. Now it's time to create your new folder. Type the name of the project. Pick a clear, descriptive name so anyone can recognize the scope at a glance. When you're happy with it, click Create to finalize the folder. Next, let's add tasks inside your project. Type the name of each task you want to include. Think of tasks as the action steps that will move the project forward. To keep your organization and execution tight, make your task names specific and outcome-focused. This reduces confusion and speeds up handoffs. Click Save to capture each task and create as many tasks as you need. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be for teammates to understand what's expected without back and forth. When you're done adding tasks, click Save again to confirm your updates. Now, check out your views. Views let you see the same work in different formats, like lists, boards, or timelines. So pick what helps you plan best. After selecting your preferred options, click Apply. If you're prompted to confirm, click Apply again. This ensures your view settings are locked in for a clean, consistent look. With your project structure in place, set priorities on tasks to communicate urgency at a glance. For example, you can choose High to flag the most critical work. Then set your start date and due date. Quick options like this weekend or 2 weeks make scheduling fast, and you can always pick your exact dates in the calendar to match your timeline. And that's it. Your new ClickUp project is ready. You've created a folder for the project, added clear tasks, saved your changes, customized views, and set priorities and dates. Follow these steps each time you create a project, and you'll keep your team aligned and your work flowing smoothly.